In this video, we're going to walk through how to redirect a landing page in GetResponse. This is a crucial step if you want to make sure your landing page is sent to the right destination without needing to manually edit links or worry about broken redirects. You'll want to stay tuned because I'm also going to show you some great alternatives at the end of the video that might better suit your goals. Let's dive in. First, let's start with why you'd want to redirect a landing page in the first place. Maybe you've changed your offer, or maybe you need to send visitors to a new page after they've submitted a form. Whatever the reason, GetResponse makes it easy, but there are a few important steps to follow to make sure it works properly. Next thing you need to do is log into your GetResponse account and navigate to the landing page section. Once you're there, pick the landing page you want to redirect. Open it up and go to the Settings tab in the top right corner of the editor. This is where you'll make the changes needed to set up the redirection. Now, the third thing you'll do is look for the Redirect URL field. Here's where you can paste the link of the page you want your visitors to go to after they land on your page. Just be careful. Make sure the URL is correct because any typo will send visitors to the wrong place, which could cost you conversions. The fourth thing is to decide if you want the redirect to happen instantly or after a set delay. If you need it to happen instantly, you're all set after adding the URL. However, if you want to add a delay, GetResponse allows you to set how many seconds you want the page to hold before redirecting visitors. This is useful if you want to show a message or confirm the action before the redirect happens. Finally, after setting everything up, save your changes and publish the landing page again. That's it. You've successfully set up a redirect in GetResponse. But before you go, let's talk about alternatives. GetResponse is a solid option for landing pages, but if you're looking for more flexibility, ease of use, or additional features, there are some better options out there. For example, tools like Lead Pages and Unbounce provide more customization and robust analytics features that might better suit your needs, especially if you're driving traffic to highly optimized funnels. They also offer easy-to-set-up redirects with even more control. Now, here's the best part. You can actually get an exclusive and extended free trial for these alternatives through the link in the description. That's right, you'll get a special deal just for our viewers, and that's something you won't find elsewhere. Plus, these alternatives could be a better fit for your landing page redirection goals. To get started, check out the link in the description below for the best free trial and exclusive benefits, plus take advantage of these alternatives that could be more tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching!